We got Kiwi yen here. Our monthly range is about 400 pips. Might be a little bit better, but I think 4 is reasonable. So we're going to move these down to roughly here. Let's see for now. We're going to move this over because now we're targeting September. Delete this line. I do think that the oh, sorry, this is bullish. I forgot. So this is actually going to be our monthly low, probably somewhere around here. Might set it a little bit lower. We'll say 87 is the monthly low. Being conservative here. So price above this, broke this zone, which is great, is now rejecting again. So there is some good bullish momentum already in this market. Price is way above this moving average, so it is still technically bullish for sure. I don't think the Kiwi pairs are going to gain strength. However, I do think the yen is losing value dramatically. So this pair will still push up more than likely. It's going to have to break this zone though, which it is currently in today. So that needs to take place. And then we got to look for a long entry. So similar to pound yen that we looked at, this is relatively the same. So we need this to pull, or there's a good chance this pulls back to this area here based on the 50% retracement level and the 618, which is where price tends to gravitate to. And you can see that previously it found support in this area too. So after a big bull run like this did on the 4 hour, it's very normal for price to pull back, especially because it's the start of the month. So price has to settle out and figure out what it wants to do for the month. So I believe it's currently doing that. So we're going to move these down to an even number here. So you're looking at 87. And then what do we say? 500, I think, is the monthly range. No, sorry, 400. So if 87 is the low for the month, then the high would be 91 based on its normal monthly range, and if it's going to continue to be bullish, which I do think it is. So we can delete this big area here. We know it's there. So our main point of entry as of right now, and things can obviously change. I mean, if price breaks this zone, then we're already in the trade. No big deal. We'll just find a position above this zone, based on break and retest. But if not, if we got some time here, and if it doesn't want to break this zone today and it wants to keep trickling down, then this is kind of our immediate area of entry. So which would place this monthly low even below this, but which actually, yeah, we'll do that right now. Just based on this, we can always adjust it if we need to, but we're gonna price our low at about, we'll say 86.5. Kind of like that better, actually. So 86.5 is going to be our monthly low as of right now, and our monthly high will be 90.5 here. So we need price to come down to here, reject. We need to see the bull structure come back into place, higher highs, higher lows on the 1 hour. So we're definitely not there yet, but like I said yesterday, big bullish candle. So it's totally possible that price breaks this area even today. Totally could happen. And then we would just reposition ourselves and take a buy, and it would be something like this. And then obviously target the the 400 pips, something like this, all the way up to like the 93 level kind of thing, 93.5, or sorry, 92.5. Our trade would look something like this if that was to happen. So if price broke, came back, rejected, then we would enter our long position for the month that way. But we just have to wait it out and see what Kiwi yen does. So that's that one.